Conceal Coalition exists to help people protect what matters most, equipping everyday citizens with the confidence they need through firearms training and certification. The world has changed. We don't like to think about it. When we go out into public, churches and schools, we want to feel safe, but unfortunately that safety just isn't guaranteed. Most people aren't equipped to be able to defend themselves. In some cases, it's just because they're not confident. They don't feel like they have the wherewithal to have that responsibility of that firearm in their hand. We believe that every American has the right and the responsibility to defend themselves. I really hope people can find peace, that in a world of turmoil, that people can truly feel safe, relieve their anxiety. And we want to be a part of making a difference and making a change in the world today. And I think we can. Obviously, you want to make sure you know how to use a firearm safely, but you also need to know what laws affect you and where you live. And because we train nationwide, it's important for us to really have a grip on the laws on a state-to-state basis. We've made sure that the trainers that we have in our classes and the trainers we have on our videos are top-notch. A lot of our trainers are ex-military, ex-police officers. They've been in situations before that you would be dealing with.
The instructor, he explained everything very thorough, very clear, concise. I feel real confident now.
One of the biggest reasons I chose to get a concealed carry was just to learn how to utilize a gun. The safety was my main concern.
First time I took this was in the classroom. Then I went over his videos. I liked the online because what I missed, I was able to go back, watch the video again. Hard for me to find 8 hours in a day to go sit in the classroom. So I really do like the online classes.
They were all wonderful. Everyone was friendly. It was just a very good experience. It felt like a family. There's like, come on, we're gonna walk through this together.
At Conceal Coalition, it's pretty simple. We offer concealed carry certification. We offer online certifications, in-person certifications, live fire range certifications. You can visit our website, give us a call, send us an email, whatever you prefer. Our goal is to make it really simple. The people that are part of Conceal Coalition are just everyday people. They're bankers, real estate agents, teachers, they're construction workers, from all over the nation that come together to make our communities a safer place.